Here's how you can get a photo open in Photoshop to access the adjustment layers that are really helpful for adjusting photos without and being able to change those effects. So in Photoshop, if you already have an existing photo, you want to choose the open option, which you can get to a few different ways. I have a photo I've set aside here, and I'm going to go ahead and through my, you can navigate to find it and then say open. You can usually drag in an image from that starting screen as well. Once I get it open in my main Photoshop window, there's a few different things you can do to adjust your layout here. So anytime you go to Window and Workspace, you can go back to the Essentials, which is the default, and that's a really good set of tools, and it includes these adjustment layers over here on the right. That's one way to access them. If you don't see them there, or if you prefer a different type of workspace, you can always go to your window and look for adjustments, and that will get them to show up as well. We can also access the adjustment layers from our layers panel by using this little button down here that I think looks like a black and white cookie. It's like half white, half black, and that lists all of our adjustment layers as well. We want to have a levels layer first, and we can get that from that button at the bottom. We can get that by clicking on the one that looks like a little histogram chart under our adjustments panel, or we can even go up to layer and then say new adjustment layer and choose levels from that menu. These are all just different ways to get to the same thing, which allows us to create adjustment layers for levels. You can use those same steps for any other type of adjustment layer as well.